So if you get any kind of update or like a software update or notification, just start the update. It will like make your system like update. So we need to download the Nessus from the official website. So go open your browser in your Parrot Security OS. Go to the Google and search for the Nessus download. Just like a search for the keyword like a Nessus download. You already know this Nessus. We already installed a part of our PPKG package installation. I can see that like a tenable Nessus downloads. So their official website is showing like a download link. We have to click on that. How to go to that. So in that like a download list, you have to select the right architecture. So Ubuntu ALD64. By default, it automatically try to detect your exact operating system. In case if it fails, choose the right one from the drop down. Okay, before downloading the Debian package, they have a list of the different packages.
SS 10.11.2.
10.11.2 version.
Linux Ubuntu AMD 64.
Yeah, so we need like a Linux Ubuntu, like a AMD64 edition. So download the Debian file and install that. You know how to install sudo ppkg-i, that file name. So once you install that, in a bottom it will display instruction to run the service. You already know the systemctl command, right? Systemctl, like a start nessus d dot service, it will give to the view. You have to run that with a sudo privilege. And after that, check the status. Nessus start in the place of start, check the status. Okay. So it will display that Nessus is running up. If it is running, then go to the like a URL. They given a URL structure. Your IP address colon double eight like so 34 is a port number. You have to access that in your browser to see the Nessus screen. Now it is automatically detected Linux Ubuntu AMD 64. In case if it is not detected also, you have to select that from the drop. So you have option, you can directly download the Debian file or you can download the Docker file. You have a different ways to do that. Docker option also we have, and virtual machine also available. Direct separate virtual machine. We don't need that, okay? Now you will download by curl, okay? So just a command line interface to download the file. Just copy that and open your terminal. You can paste that command to download. So if it is like normally downloaded by you, it will download to your downloads folder. So you have to remember the process. First we have to navigate to the download. CD tilde forward slash downloads. First download, move to the downloads folder and check you have a downloaded file up. So if you have a downloaded file, sudo dpkg-i your file name. Now once installation is done, it will ask you like a two steps. Start Nessus scanner by typing systemctl start Nessus. Now you know like if you check that, we need a sudo privileges. Systemctl status. Let me check the status of the Nessus service. So Nessus D services is like inactive right now. So we have to like activate that. To run that, start. Now verify the status. Now it is active. So you can see that like so Nessus service is started. So they given a command to you. So systemctl start Nessus D dot service. After that, visit your IP address colon 8834. It means go to your browser, type your loopback IP address http colon 127.0.0.1 8834. This is like a loopback applicable to everyone. So, but it is not accepting HTTP. Bad request. It is expecting HTTPS URL. So mention the HTTPS. Now, so you can see that like a warning. Accept the risk and continue. Just it is a HTTPS related self-signed certificate. It is going to be issued. Accept the risk and so please access this URL in a browser. I'll ask you in that same browser. Like so, after your Debian package installation and after start command, okay. So Nessus, okay. If you start the Nessus service, then you can visit this URL. So start Jishnava service. Install Jishnava. తర్వాత సో systemctl space start space nessus d.service రన్ చేసినామా. See, after installation we have to start the nessus service. For that purpose we have to run the command. They given a bottom 2 steps. కింద 2 steps ఇచ్చారు చూడండి టెర్మినల్. ఫైల్ ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేయకూడదు కదా నాన్న, ఇట్స్ డెబియన్ ఫైల్. sudo dpkg space -i space file name. Yes. So if you are getting error, it means it is not completed download properly. Partial downloaded file. Yes, delete that rm space that file and download again. So if your installation is done, okay, you already done with the installation. So you got a like a so message. So did you start the service? Sudo systemctl start nessus d.service. Then visit this URL in a browser. In your parent to go to your browser and access this URL. All of you please check. So today we are going to be spend time for the only installation. Tomorrow I will show you how to use this tool. So all of you please try to like cooperate and configure in your system. Just a small doubt. Yes.
Sir, I have downloaded the link, sir, and sudo dpkg the command of the start. The next command is sudo
systemctl start space like a nessus dot service. You know, like it is already showing that command in a bottom. So once you install that, it is showing like you can start the nessus scanner by typing bin systemctl start nessus dot service. But before that, use the sudo.
Yes.
Because you need a admin privileges to run that service. And after that, then go to the your IP address :88834. Now this one, our IP address, loopback IP address we can use. 127.0.0.1 is a loopback IP address. Or you can check your IP address. You can type that IP address also in that place. This one has everyone. Okay, loopback IP address. Everyone has. Okay, loopback address. That's why I'm enter like a loopback address. So if you start without starting the nessus service, if you visit this URL, you get the error. You don't get any website. So please check that. Went to the I recommended to open this URL 127.0.0.1 internet. So we wasted 2 days, bro, to learn how to install the software installation in a Linux class. Same knowledge we are using, just a dpkg installation. We downloaded a Debian file and we installed with a dpkg. Read that output. That output is clearly showing that you can start an SS scanner by typing the service command. Start the service, visit the URL, that's it. అయిపోలేదు ఇక్కడికి అందరూ వచ్చిందని చెప్తే నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ చెప్తాను. So you have today you have to spend a lot of time to finish the installation of this. So you will get this welcome screen. Did you get all of you? Now just click on continue. It will show you the option. All their products it will display to you, but you have to choose the register for Nessus Essential or trial of the Nessus Expert. Anything is fine. Okay, so they have editions. So we have three different types so essentials, okay, free for the research. There is option register for Nessus Essential for free. Unlimited days, 16 IP addresses you can scan without worrying about date, expiry date. Okay, but Nessus Professional, premium, unlimited IP addresses you can scan, but with limited templates. Nessus Expert, all templates are available for scanning, required for the enterprise level. Premium. Now you have a Nessus Professional Expert a trial also you will get, but the trial is limited to the 7 days. After 7 days, your product is going to expire. Now, do you want to so you explore the Nessus Expert level? Then you can choose the expert level. But same features available in an Essential also. You can scan 16 IP addresses. Now you guys can set up the trial. Later you can just remove your parent security OS and import again. Create another account. Follow the same process. Next week, if this expired, trial is over. You can reset your VM. Already I told you, Snapchat 1. Go back to the Snapchat 1. Reinstall again. Same steps. You can extend the license. One more week. So start the trial of the Nessus Expert. So it will ask you to so enter the email address so enter your okay. It will ask for the a business email. Your Gmail don't accept by that. Now what you do? Working email address it is asking. We can use a temporary mail services. Use the temp mail service. So just a temp-mail.org. Use the temporary mail services for the registration. If you use the essentials, you can provide your Gmail address. But this one read a work email address. Okay, it is expecting a work email address. Just copied that mail. Only we need an activation code. That activation code you will get by providing the email address. Now continue. Now it will ask for create some company account and everything. Just a random details. Random company name, random so company size you can select 10 to 49 and start the trial. So they don't validate your details. So they will send the verification link to the your temp mail. So you have to like verify that code. Okay. So verify your email address. So you will get the mail in a temp mail service. Just like activate that account. Verify your email address. That link. Okay. So going to be expired. So once verification is success, okay, your Nessus setup automatically like allow us to verify once. Now once verification is done, click on verify button. It will automatically get the license key and like validity, and we can continue that. So it will ask for create one account. So you can create one account like so remember that account for the login to the Nessus. So it is administrator account to the your Nessus. Just it is a form completion and everything. Fill the random details. Okay. So once you done with this activation process, account creation process, it will start downloading all the plugins required for the vulnerability scanning. Plugin needs to download, plugin need to compile. Download takes time. After that, compilation takes 30 to 45 minutes to you. Okay. So please like start like setting up like an SS required for the class. So I hope that all of you started downloading plugins. చూడండి స్టేటస్ రావాలి. Next one. Use necessary because we can't able to take the same client from the single IP address multiple times. Use the necessary for it. So if you want to avoid like so issues like expiry date, trial end, and all those things. Use the Nessus Essential, which is a more comfortable. I prefer to use that. It's up to you. But I just try to explain the process to you, how to register, how to get the trial one. So one by one, please check the status. See, you can't able to create the multiple codes, multiple activation code for the trial from the single IP address. So they will detect. Then start access. Unlike this, only my switch. So one by one, share your screen. If you have any issues, I can help you with that. Check your status. Once a plugins downloaded, it is going to be start initializing that plugins compilation process. Okay. See, if you use the essential or if you use the professional or if you use expert, doesn't matter. We have a 2-3 templates. We use those are enough. So expert edition is a more customized edition for the experts. Who want to customize their scan. Okay. So capabilities they can use them. But now so you can use the essential also enough for your lab practice purpose. Excuse me, sir. Just sir, I'm unable to log into the local host time. So mention that so GDPS. Is the error you are getting? Yes, sir. What is the error you are getting?
Just small doubts.
Yes.
ఇది మెయిల్ ఎంటర్ చేయమని అడుగుతుంది సార్ ఈ మెయిల్ ఇక్కడ
Yeah, you can provide. See, if it is essential, you can provide your Gmail address. Okay.
స్కిప్ కూడా కొట్టొచ్చా సార్
Skip code activation code కావాలి కదా bro. Okay, so if you already have activation code, you can skip that step. If you don't have, you have to enter the email address to get the activation code.
ఈమెయిల్ ని ఇవ్వచ్చు సార్
If you are using Nessus Essentials, okay, you can provide any Gmail address. But a Nessus professional or expert need a work email address. Work email address means not @gmail.com. Some other domain name. So we can use the temp mail services for that. Temporary mail. So once the installation is done, so it will load the welcome screen like this. Nessus and the plugins are compiling. Once plugin is compilation is 100% done, only you will get the option to scan. Okay, so now compiling is 32% completed to me. Now, so you have a button so new scan button. It is not active right now. See this? You can't able to click on new scan button because plugins are compiling. Once plugins compilation is done only, you will get the new scan button. By clicking on new scan, you can select the a host discovery, you can do the a basic network scan. We have a templates for scanning. So all of you please finish the configuring this.
సార్ ఎసెన్షియల్స్ లోకి వెళ్ళి మెయిల్ ఇచ్చాను సార్, రిజిస్టర్ కూడా కొట్టాను.
సరిపోతుంది. లైక్ సో ఇఫ్ యూ మెంటర్ యువర్ జీమెయిల్,
సార్ ఇట్స్ గెటింగ్ ఇన్షియలైజింగ్.